Hi students, now let us see a program on typecasting. This is also called as type conversion. So in this, what we do, we convert the one type of data to another type. So how, like see here, I'm writing x equal to 3.4589. So which type of the data it is? It is a type of float. So when I'm printing x as a float, it prints the value as here 3.4589. Okay. So this I would like to convert into the integer. So how do you convert? This is the built-in function, okay, which is used to convert the whatever the data you pass, that will be converted to a integer. So after that x as integer, I'm printing the x value. Let's see how much it will print. See here, as a float, it's printing 3.4589, but as an integer, it's printing only 3 here. So in the same way, so y is of type now here integer, then y I'm converting it as a float. When I converted it as a float, how much it is printing? It is printing 6.0, not 6. So this is the string within the double quotes. So if I write just print of x plus 5, what it does, these both are the strings. So that's why when I use this plus operator, it performs the string concatenation operation. So 5 to it's printing. Okay, but when I like to, if I like to convert this to integer, then you write int of x plus int of 5, then it performs the addition operation. That's why it's printing the result as 7. So here I'm converting the string to integer type, into to float here, and the float to integer. Like this, I can perform the typecasting operation. Put here. Students, you can download this source code from my website www.indianprogrammingmaster.com.